This is my hair washed, clean, and now I'm about to silk press it out. But I want to show you guys the top 6 products that I use every single time I silk press my hair. This just gives me the best results. And let's get right into it. So the first product that I absolutely love, actually the first 2 products because I use them together, is the Olaplex 6 and 7. You guys, these 2 products are amazing. This one is the bond smoother and number 7 is the bonding oil. This helps with your bonding strength of your hair, so that way it's stronger, it doesn't break as easy, and just holds your hair together. You guys do not need a lot of this product. I've used it I think about 2 or 3 times on this channel, and I told you guys do not use a lot, because if you use a lot of number 6, your hair will come very stiff because it is a bond smoother. Okay, so you just need a little dime size and about 5 to 6 drops of the Olaplex number 7, depending on how thick your hair is, and that is all you need. When I first bought this product, they gave me the sample size, and you guys, this still lasts me about 2 months later. There's only a little bit that I use, and honestly, you guys, it works so much and it works so well. Olaplex number 6, the bond smoother. It says that it speeds up the blow dry time while smoothing, softly defines and smooths air dried curls, and reduces frizz and flyaways for up to 72 hours. Okay, so it literally says apply half pump to damp hair, use more for longer thicker hair and less for fine shorter hair. So it literally tells you to use half a pump. So once I'm done putting that in my hair, my next product that I like to use is the Biosilk Silk Therapy 17 Miracle and the original. These 2 together, I'm telling you guys, this is what makes my silk press silky, is these 2 serums right here. The Silk Therapy Original says that it is a light leave-in silk replenishing treatment to smooth and protect all hair types. Okay, so you literally only need a little bit. So it says place a small amount of Silk Therapy on the palms and apply it from the scalp to the ends. Okay, maybe use on wet and dry hair. So that's what we're gonna do here, and that's all I use for my whole head. Okay, just this. And then the 17 Miracle, it's called 17 Miracle because they have 17 benefits. I'm not going to read it all out. I'm just going to put it on the screen right here. I spray about 2 or 3 sprays. I think about 2. 1, 2, just like that. And I mix them 2 together. And I put it from my scalp all the way to the ends of my hair. One thing I like about this product is that it is non-greasy, so when you do flat iron your hair does not come out stiff. It comes out flowing and nice because, again, this product is non-greasy and is meant to keep your hair nice and stiff less. So this next product, there's 2 of them that is literally like a toss-up for me, and it is the Color Wow Extra Strength and the Bondi Boost Rapid Repair Serum. Between these 2 guys, I don't know which one I like better because they both work really well. This one controls frizz for about, I think, up to 3 washes, 3 to 4 washes, and this one is just a serum that helps repair your hair. And again, like I said, between these 2, I don't know which one I like better, but these ones are toss-up. You can't go wrong with either or. But for today's video, I'm going to use the Color Wow Extra Strength Dream Coat because this one is almost done. There's literally nothing left in here because I've been using it so much, and I just feel like it needs to have its moment today. Now this last product, if there is ever a product that you need and you just have to get, is this one right here. Even though it has no label, I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. This is the Argan Oil Cream of Nature Blow and Shine Heat Protectant. You guys, this product right here, if you guys can't get any of these other products, get this one. This one will leave your hair looking so shiny. It is a heat protectant. I got this from COVID, and ever since COVID started, I've been using it, and we are 5 years in, okay? 5 years in, 3 bottles, 10 bottles, whatever the case may be. This product is the best. It honestly keeps my hair protected up to 410 degrees Fahrenheit. It gives my hair that shine after it's done, and it is so lightweight, something that you definitely need if you are still pressing your hair. So if anything anything you take from this video is to get this Cream of Nature Argan Oil Blowout Heat Protectant. And same thing like the rest of these products, you don't need a lot. You just need about 2 pumps. Just that. And your hair is protected. Number one, because all the other products that you use are all heat protectants as well. So you honestly don't need so much product. But honestly, you guys, this product, if you ever needed one, that's the product to get. My hair all blown out. It is soft, it's shiny, it is flowing. And I keep on telling you guys, if you guys have a very good blowout, your silk press is immaculate, okay? So from this blowout, it looks like I'm gonna have a really good silk press. Yeah. All right, let's get into it. Guys, so this is the end result of the silk press. Like I told you guys, these products are meant for your hair to be very, very silky and flowing, and this is just exactly it. There is no stiffness anywhere, y'all. Like, my hair is flowing and it feels super, super soft, and as you guys can see, it is growing. So definitely whatever I'm doing is working, and I'm going to continue to do it over and over again, because my goal for the end of the year is to get to at least mid back length, and right now I think I'm at bra strap length, so it's a really, really good point. Okay, I'm actually so delulu. I just looked back at my footage. My hair is armpit length, so the goal for the end of the year is for it to be at bra strap length, and we're doing a good pace right now. We're really at a good pace. So again, whatever I'm doing, I'm gonna continue to do it. One thing I want you guys to do is get into the shine of this hair. Like, it is super shiny, and the shine is from the Biosilk and from the Argan Oil Cream of Nature Blowout Serum. Like, you guys, I'm in love, okay? I am in love. All right, y'all, it's 12 o'clock. oops. It's 12 o'clock and I am ready to go to bed. So I'm gonna end the video off here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys learned a thing or two about the best products to use for silk presses. And if you guys have any video requests, please put them down in the comments below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. It's connected to you.